RSX-8, Sniper, Slingshot, Precision Power for just $27. Get ready to redefine what a slingshot can do. The RSX-8 Sniper is here, and at an incredible $27, its creators claim it's a cut above the rest. Why? Because with a little skill, you can hit targets over 100 meters, that's over 328 feet, away. Imagine nailing a tiny target like a cane toad from 50 meters, 164 feet. That's some serious accuracy. This isn't just any slingshot. It comes with a Picatinny rail, so you can add cool accessories like sights, though you'll buy those separately. The RSX-8 is a solid piece of gear, weighing 5 kilograms, about 11 pounds, and it even arrives in 3 separate boxes, hinting at its unique, modular design. Online, everyone's buzzing about whether it's legal to own and use in different places. Sabre 3-in-1 Safety Tool. Looking for a smart way to stay safe without drawing attention? The Sabre 3-in-1 Safety Tool is super clever, combining 3 crucial safety gadgets into something that looks just like a regular car key. This means it stays discreet, keeping your personal protection under wraps until you really need it. But don't let its normal appearance fool you. Inside this compact little device, the creators have packed a powerful stun gun, a ear-splitting personal alarm, and a handy flashlight. The stun gun can deliver an electric charge of 1.15 microcoulombs, strong enough to effectively stop an attacker. If you're in trouble and need to get help, the personal alarm screams at an incredible 115 decibels. That's loud enough to be heard from up to 500 feet away. And for those dark moments, the 70-lumen flashlight gives you plenty of light to see clearly. Sabre Frontiersman Extra. Heading into the wilderness? Make sure you pack the Sabre Frontiersman Extra. This isn't just any spray. It's your ultimate defense against aggressive bears, designed to keep you safe when you're out in nature. What makes it so good? You can spray it from a super safe distance, up to 35 feet away, giving you plenty of space from danger. And when things get intense, this spray empties completely in just 7 seconds, because every single second counts when you're facing a threat. This 8-ounce can is packed with a strong punch, containing 1.84% major capsaicinoids. That's a high concentration that really boosts your chances of scaring off even a very large bear and making it out safely. Plus, there's a cool bonus. The protective clip actually glows in the dark. This means you can quickly find it, even if you're fumbling around in the dead of night. You can get this vital piece of outdoor gear starting at just $40. Spiral Throwing Star. Calling all fans of cool Japanese weapons. The Spiral Throwing Star is the perfect gift. This awesome throwing item looks just like a classic shuriken, ready for action. It's built tough from high-carbon steel, meaning it's super strong and durable. Plus, it has a sleek black anti-glare coating, so it looks stealthy and won't reflect light. The design features 3 sharp blades, which come together to give it a total of 6 pointed tips, making it quite impressive. You can grab this unique and exciting throwing star for just $18. It's a fantastic piece for collectors or anyone who loves the look of traditional Japanese ninja gear. SPYRA2, the ultimate water blaster. Get ready for the most epic water gun battles ever with the SPYRA2. Its creators are calling it the world's only water gun packed with high-tech electronics, all thanks to its special Spira blast technology. This isn't your average squirt gun. Because of this advanced tech, the SPYRA2 can blast water an impressive 49 feet. Plus, it shoots fast and even has different firing modes, so you can pick your strategy. You'll always know how much ammo you have left thanks to a handy built-in display. The SPYRA2 runs on a rechargeable battery that's powerful enough for 200 reloads. And here's the best part for intense water fights. Refilling only takes a super quick 10 seconds. That means less time pausing and more time soaking your opponents. You can snag this ultimate water weapon for $174. Steambow Fenris, the rapid-fire crossbow revolution. Tired of slow, bulky crossbows? The Steambow Fenris is here to change the game. This isn't your granddad's crossbow. It's a sleek, modern marvel designed for speed and pure shooting enjoyment. What makes it so special? It's all about that lightning-fast integrated cocking system. Forget struggling with ropes or cranks. With the Fenris, a quick lever action built right into the stock means you're reloaded and ready for your next shot in a flash. Imagine rapid-fire crossbow action. That's the Fenris experience. Beyond its incredible speed, it's also surprisingly compact. Taurus Curve, the pistol designed to disappear. Taurus, a Brazilian company known for firearms, hit a home run for anyone who prefers a discreet pistol with their Taurus Curve. Unveiled in 2014, this semi-automatic pistol quickly became a standout, all thanks to its incredibly clever design. The secret's in the name. The Taurus Curve literally has a curved shape. This isn't just for looks, it's ingeniously crafted to hug the natural curve of your hip. The TKO for Nerf Knockout. Here's something really cool and a bit different from the other toys we've seen. The TKO for Nerf Knockout. You can't just buy this one in a store, and that's what makes it special. This is a custom upgrade designed specifically for your Nerf rival blaster. Normally, your Nerf rival shoots those small, round foam balls. But with the TKO, your blaster gets a super cool new ability. It can also shoot oblong darts. The secret? It's all thanks to a neat extension that clips right onto the muzzle of your blaster. If you're into 3D printing, you're in luck. All the necessary files are available for download, so you can 3D print this extension yourself. It's a fantastic way to give your Nerf Knockout blaster a whole new level of versatility and fun, letting you use different types of ammo in your battles. Toilet Paper Blaster's Skid Shot. Ready to upgrade your classic spitball battles? The Toilet Paper Blaster's Skid Shot is here to transform how you play. This awesome toy gun uses regular toilet paper as its ammo. Umarex Airsaber Elite X2, the arrow blaster with no kick. Move over, Legolas. The makers of the Umarex Airsaber Elite X2 claim this air-powered crossbow is even faster. While the famous elf could shoot 3 arrows at once, this crossbow is so powerful, one reviewer even said it could hunt a bear. It sends arrows flying with incredible speed, hitting around 450 feet per second, and can reach targets up to 226 feet away. Even with that power, the weapon, including its sight, only weighs about 8.8 pounds. One of its best features is the huge air capacity. You get a whopping 25 shots from a single fill. And thanks to its special PCP, pre-charged pneumatic, technology, shooting is almost completely recoil-free. That means super smooth, comfortable shots every time. For just $500, you can get your hands on this impressive, arrow-launching machine.